Okay, so I see that you needed help with this question, and so I put together the table according to what I thought that the numbers here had meant. It says in a survey, students taking business statistics class at a university were asked what grade they expected um, to receive in a course and whether they regularly worked the problems that the instructor assigned. The following table gives the number of students in each category. So expected grade, work the problems, yes or no. And so the only thing that it did not provide was totals. So this is 250. This is going to be 330. This is 420. And then this is going to be, so it's 200, 320. And then we have 130 plus 250 plus 300. That is 680. And that is 900. So that's 1,000. Okay. So it says, what is the probability that a randomly chosen student worked the problems? So worked the problems. So yes, that is a total of, so that's a total of 320 out of 1,000. So that's 0.320. Then B, what is the probability that a randomly chosen student did not regularly work the problems and expects a grade of an A? So that's 130 out of 1,000. So that would be 0.13. C, what is the probability that a randomly chosen student regularly works the problems or expects a grade of a C? So regularly works the problems, that's 320, and or expects a C. So that's 320 plus 420, but I have to subtract 120 because I don't want to count it twice. And that is going to be, so that would be 200, so that's 620 out of 1,000. So that's 0.62. Then D, find the probability that a randomly chosen student who regularly works the problems, expects a grade of an A. So that would be 120 out of 320. So 120 divided by 320, and that's 0.375. And then E are worked problems and expected grade, statistically independent, explain. So worked problems, whether or not they're yes or no. So we can see that 320 out of the 1,000 worked the problems. So it's 0.320. And then 680 out of 1,000 didn't work the problems, and that's 0.680. Well, we know that 120 out of 250 is 0.48. And then those of them that want to be 80 out of 330, that was 0.24. And 120 out of 420, that's 0.28. So I can say that no, it is not independent. Independent. Because grade matters on whether the problems are worked. Problems are worked. So I hope that this video was helpful. Sorry for that interruption. This is a middle school math teacher signing